Most of the time options trading is seen as a very short term trade, and since it's a very short term trade, obviously trader has to have a lot of involvement in the trade. So if you're doing, let us say, a weekly expiry option trading strategy, obviously you need to be on your toes, you need to see the markets. Many traders are doing intraday trades, then obviously they cannot leave the screen at all. Relatively better is monthly trades, wherein okay, you can create a strategy and then wait for some time. You can be a working professional if you know right kind of adjustments also. But can there be a truly set and forget kind of a strategy in options also, in which the working professional need not even see the markets on daily basis? So in today's video I'm going to show you a very strong, very profitable option trading strategy which is purely for working professionals. What you can do is you can just set it and forget it, and it's very long term. But this is very interesting in case you do not want to see the markets on daily basis. You are least bothered about 200, 300, 500 points up and down of the market. This can be one of the best strategies. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. In this channel, we talk about safe option trading strategies and the best possible adjustments in those option trading strategies. In today's video, it is something which is very special for working professionals, and if something is good for working professionals, that doesn't mean it is not good for full-time traders. They can also do it. I have many friends who have been doing this strategy very successfully. Let us see that. Now this strategy basically means that okay, right in the beginning of the month I will be using long-term options. These are also known as leaps. These leaps are mostly liquid and available in Nifty only. So in Nifty, what you can do, you can just in the beginning of the year, whenever there is a liquidity, you can create some positions. Obviously, there can be some adjustments, but today we will see if I don't do any adjustment and just create the strategy, what kind of returns I can generate. Let us go to a backtesting software. You can join our YouTube WhatsApp community. The link is given in the description. We give you pre-market report every day morning. Now I have come to now stock market. Here I tried to find out liquidity from 1st January 2025 onwards because I wanted to do a trade in December. But then I couldn't get much of the liquidity. But on 10th of January, which is you can say first 10 days of the year, I got decent liquidity for December positions. Still, liquidity doesn't mean that okay, there will be a price available which is just 1 or 2 rupees here and there. There can be 5-10 rupees difference, but at least I could get some active calls and active puts. So what I will do, this is obviously a very simple strategy. I will sell 21,000 put. Market is at around 23,500, so it is quite solid, 2,500 points below that, and I am going to sell 28,000 call. So both extremes are available in the market as of now, right? As of now means as of 10th of January, and I will see what can I do. So in this case, because VIX was slightly on a higher side, it's taking 1.79 lakhs as margin. If market remains between 21,000 and 28,000, this is going to give me 26% return. But during the year when VIX goes down, your margin requirement here gets drastically reduced, and then obviously the percentage profit is very good. But let us not focus on percentage profit. Only word of caution here I would like is that okay, we should not do this kind of strategy in one lot. It must be done at least in 2 lots. There is a reason which I will explain. So we have done this strategy in 2 lots. As of now, it is showing that okay, 3.58 lakh margin is required, and if everything goes within this range, which is a very wide 6,000 points, rather I will say 7,000 points range, then you are going to make decent money. 26% return is an excellent return. For better reach and visibility, I'll request you to click on the like button and subscribe button. Each and every like and subscriber is very precious to us. Thank you in advance. Now let us move and see what happens to this strategy on monthly basis. It is not that okay, this strategy will start giving me instant profits, but again here I am behaving like an investor with options portfolio. Otherwise, we are always an investor once we buy some stocks or mutual funds. That is one way of investing. But can I become an investor through options strategies also? So this is one of the strategies which works really well, and there are certain adjustments we will see later in the video, whether we get time or whether we see any requirement to do the adjustment. Now here moving by one day would be quite difficult, but And let us see, let's move by one day quickly. And okay, after 4-5 days, what is happening? This is giving me 1500 rupees. So I will move quickly in this because it's a very long term strategy. I straightway go to let's say 31st of January. What happens? Because 31st January, 1st Feb is a budget. So obviously 31st January, the VIX will be high. So let us see what kind of damage this strategy is giving on 31st January. It's not giving me any damage, although VIX might have gone up. Market is somewhere there only, and as of now, this strategy is giving me a decent 4200 rupees profit. So I will say monthly profit 1.2% without doing anything, without any adjustment. You can say, sir, maximum loss is unlimited, undefined, it is risky. So obviously, you can buy some weekly or monthly hedges also, right? Now I will go to next month and let us see what happens on 28th Feb. Okay, 28th Feb, we have seen market tanking down by almost 1000 points, but still the strategy is giving me a very decent profit. My put is slightly costly now, it is 339, but see the kind of money I have already made. Now the adjustment principle says that we need to do some adjustments, but as of now, in this public video, it is very difficult to show that adjustment. But let us see without adjustment what is happening. We are still very far away from break-even point. My break-even point is 20,373 and market is 22,337, which means I am still almost 2,000 points away from break-even point. Let me now run this strategy for next month. Like I am just going to the last day of the month. Here the last working day is, let's say, 28th of March. Okay, the strategy is giving me solid 43,000 rupees, no adjustment, nothing, which is a very good return. And you see, because VIX might have gone down, the estimated margin is now only 2 lakh rupees, which was more than 3.5 lakh rupees earlier. That is why this percentage has increased, because it is freeing, it is releasing a lot of margin. So in just 3 months, we got a very decent return. And this is truly a strategy which a trader who is not at all looking at the markets on day-to-day basis can definitely do. Next month, if you see April 30th, again profit has reduced a bit, 35,000, but it is still in profit. You can see the LTP of this put is now 199, LTP of this call is 188, market is 24,324. So we have seen market going from 23,500 levels to 22,300 levels, which is 1,1200 points down, and then from 22,300 levels to 24,300 levels, which is a 2,000 point move. If there is a normal trader who is trading, let us say, weekly options or monthly options, he definitely must be very, very stressed. But see the benefit of this strategy. In this strategy, you are not at all stressed. In fact, you are not even bothered to see the market at all. That is the biggest benefit of this strategy. You are making good returns also. It is not that, okay, because I'm not seeing the market, I'm not making the return. In this case, because everything whatever we have sold is a time premium only, so definitely we are going to make money. Only thing is, yes, in case market really tanks down to 21,000 levels or really goes up to 28,000 levels, then there can be a little bit of stress, but then there are a lot of adjustments available for that also. Now, first 4 months, excellent results. Let us see now 2 months ahead, because otherwise if I keep on showing you for many months, it will become okay. Let us see what is happening on 31st July. Okay, 31st July, excellent returns. I'm making 74,000 rupees. I know you. So 6 months, 74,000 rupees on an investment of 3 lakh rupees, nothing can be better. And luckily for this year, although you can always say that, okay, last year was very, very volatile, right? But luckily for this strategy, volatility means that market really needs to make a very, very huge move. But if you see with the bird's eye view, I've shown you April and then May, June, July. After 3 months also, market is at 24,700 only. And it is rewarding me. Every non-volatile month is rewarding me. Every volatile month means market moving by 500,000 point, 2,000 point. I am least bothered. It is also not reducing my profits. And on 31st July, which is now almost 7 months of the year, I am still making a decent profit of 74,000 rupees. Now it is my own decision that, okay, out of possible 93,945 rupees, I have already accumulated 74,000 rupees. Whether it is wise to continue this strategy for 31st December, or it is wise to book this profit. This is definitely a decision which needs to be taken by the trader at this point in time. Obviously, trading involves a lot of decisions, and all those decisions get polished with your experience with the markets.
Happy to announce that we have done 3 online workshops. One is Iron Condor, one is Iron Butterfly, and third one is Double Fender Spreads. All these 3 workshops are recorded and we have converted them into a course. Now these recordings are readily available if you are interested. If you are interested in buying any of these recordings, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. Leaving you with another very interesting video on options trading. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.